you don't need packaging in the tech world, but you need to do you need to build a brand, and the similarities are there are many similarities. Okay, when you're launching a tech brand, the most important thing, way beyond everything else, is the name. You need a name that you can own. You need a name that's easy to say, easy to spell, it's distinctive, and it's got to work well. Let's say if you're building an app, it's got to work well on a screen, you know, of a whole lot of icons, and it's got to be easy to find online. So when you're designing an app, let's say, it's got to have a distinctive color. It's got to have a very simple design, and as much as possible, you want to design something that is instantly recognizable. So the instant someone knows the name and sees the icon, they know what it's for. So you've got to have a good sense of the benefit, and frankly, that's exactly the same with a package. You know, you need to position it right, and positioning in my way of thinking is just figuring out how what it is, so people know exactly where they're going to find it in the supermarket. It's just the same with an app. They've got to know exactly what it's for and what the benefit is. With a package, you know, you might show something appetizing or whatever it is, so people instantly know what it is. With an app, you've got to know exactly what it's for, what its benefit is. And you've got to try and condense that down to something very simple. And then you've got to make sure that as that explodes out into a web page and into online advertising, everything is beautifully synergistic. Everything works together. When you're launching an app, you're likely as not, you're competing with hundreds, if not thousands of others, okay? And let's say with weather apps, you know, there's AccuWeather, there's Yahoo Weather, there's Apple Weather. So the question is, like, how do you get into that market with something distinctive? And Carrot is a weather app that is very well designed. It's a beautiful interface. But what makes it like fascinating is that it has a really quirky, funny character that really sets it apart from every other weather app. So it works beautifully. You know, it's got amazing graphics. It's very visual, and it has all of these bizarre little sayings, like, at the moment, is that a jet contrail, or is the sky just happy to see you? I mean, just crazy stuff, which, you know, puts a smile on your face if you're in the mood for that. So in that particular case, you know, they've created something distinctive.